Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a crosstab within Tableau. So a crosstab is going to be a cross tabulation of, it's typically going to be about 2 dimensions and 1 measure. So let's go ahead and drag our dimensions in to our row and our column. And then let's go ahead and grab measures. So I'm going to grab category as our column. And then I'm going to do subcategory as our row. Okay, there you go. And as you can see, it's showing the intersection between the categories and subcategories. Now let's go ahead and drag in let's do sales. So I dragged that over, and as you can see, we have our categories, our subcategories, and then our sales. So you can see bookcases was in our category furniture, and that's how much it made. If we wanted to do something where we could see everything, let's go ahead, instead of a column there, let's go ahead and grab maybe the state. So then it shows a little bit more, and you can see by which state and which country each section, subcategory had sold. But that is going to be a crosstab within Tableau. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Go ahead and like and subscribe. You can check out the courses on LinkedIn Learning, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.